Okay, we have two masses, M1 and M2. We have the pulley, but as in the previous uh, example, the friction on the pulley is negligible, no friction, right? The block lies on the frictionless incline, and the lightweight cord, the cord is a rope here, right? Mean the mass of the cord is the mass. Oh, what happened? The mass of the core is thế mãi thầy hôm nay nó bị cả trợn nó với cái chương trình này quá. Đợi đây chút nha. Bình thường nó không có bị vậy mà hôm nay sao nó bị tùm lum. Yeah, mà em thấy lại cái màn hình rồi chứ ha. Okay, so now the question is find the magnitude of the acceleration and the tension. So we solve for A and T. Right? Then now try to draw the free body diagram of that and take the picture and send in the Zello group so that I can see if you understand the problem. Okay, so draw free body diagram, send it as picture. Okay, so you can see that here in the M1 you have two foxes, right? The T1 and M1G. For M2 you have three foxes, right? M2G, T2, and N. If you correctly draw the diagram, so the length of N will be equal to the Y component of M2G, right? Okay, so if you write equation, you can have the vector equation like this. Here, vector equation. So M1G plus T1 will be M1A1, right? M2G plus T2 plus N equal to M2A2. And we know that the magnitude of T1 and T2 will be the same. The magnitude of A1 and A2 will be the same, right? So we have equation. For this one, we get only one equation. For this one, we have two dimensions, so we have two equations. So in general, we have enough equation to solve, right? Okay, and here is equation. You can follow the black equation, not the red one. This one, and this one. Then so for A, I give you some minutes to solve for A and T. Okay? This is a trick. Focus on the number. Focus on the number 1 here and the number 2. We don't need the number 3. Okay? Then you see here you have plus T and here you have minus T. So the same as in the previous example. If you add the two equations 1 and 2 side by side, you will get here minus m1g, here plus m2g sine theta, right? And minus t with plus t here will be cancelled. Then you have m1 plus m2 a, right? Is it easy?
Ủa thầy ơi, này là mình cộng hai phương trình lại với nhau hả thầy?
Yes.
À,
We can add the two equations to get one equation, right? So 1 plus 2 side by side, right? You take the left side here, the left side here, and then the right side of this equation, right? Here, left side, right side. Then you get that. It will be the easiest way to solve for A. Later, when you have more than two objects, let's say 3 or 4 or 5 objects, no problem. Let's add all the equation that consists of A. Then you will get the answer easily. I will show you later after the break. Okay? And then finally you get A. You can see here, if you divide the equation here, the equation here, you get minus m1g plus m2g sine theta over m2, m1 plus m2. Then you get this equation, right? We simplify it a little bit so that the results or the expression is more beautiful. Then if you substitute that for t, then you can find the t easily. Okay. So it's time for a break. So let's take the 10-minute break and come back at 2:30. Okay.